Prelude didn't waste time at the start, draws for your lead. Yellow Cat running on the outside, is Star of Jonah is by the road, running on the outside, Pure Joy, Wind and Jetson, heading towards the 600. Prelude shot clear this time by about 6 lengths. Is Star of Jonah moving up, is Yellow Cat, then followed by Pure Joy as they race towards the 450. Prelude this time by about 6 to 7 lengths over Yellow Cat in second, running by the release Star of Jonah, then on the outside is Pure Joy, and down the stretch they come. Prelude this time by about 6 lengths. Yellow Cat remains in second, is Star of Jonah by the rail, followed by Windy Wind. With 75 meters to race, Leonardo T. Quadra Jr. doing a job well done on top of horse Prelude. Yellow Cat is Star of Jonah, then comes Windy Wind, Pure Joy, Jetson.